the Kong vault, the most powerful vault that you can do in all of parkour. Master this and you'll become unstoppable. Let's break it down. Step number 1, we have to focus on our hand placement. As we're placing our hands down, make sure it's not too close and make sure it's not too wide. Shoulder width apart is perfect. As we're placing our hands down, make sure you don't bend them. We're not doing push-ups. We got to make sure that our arms are nice and strong. Don't lock your arms though. We don't want this nice and tight, just strong. And so when you're able to do your kongs, you should be able to push down into it. Step number 2, we now have to focus on our hips, because if we don't get high enough, your knees are gonna hit this wall. So we have to practice placing our hands down and jumping up, bringing our knees and our hips as high as we can. Getting comfortable with this skill. Step number 3, we can now bring our feet on top of the wall. The way we do this is we can do one foot at a time. Place both hands down, get your hips up, and try get your leg inside. We never put our legs on the outside, it has to go on the inside in the middle. So now, the way to do this is that we have to lean forward. Never lean backwards in your Kong, make sure you're leaning forward into it, because this will allow you to get your leg on top. Lean forward. Try your other leg and up. And then when you're comfortable, try and push, get both legs on top. You are allowed to let go with your hands after. Step number 4, now that we're comfortable with getting on top of the wall, we have to now be able to get down from the wall. This is where we simply practice our step outs. So as we're up on top of the wall, we go up and step off. If stepping off is a little bit too hard, you can practice up and then using your safety vault to get down. Step number 5, we have to really emphasize your leaning forward of the chest, because now we are ready to try and go over without using your legs on the wall. The reason on why we have to lean forward is because we are trying to reach for the floor with your body. And we're leaning forward. We never lean backwards because of 2 reasons. Your head can then touch the wall, which is not good. Or if you do your Kong and then lean back, you might end up placing your hands down to try and save yourself, but then end up injuring yourself. Even if we practice, you know your animal landings or your rolls, so go into those instead. So when we practice, lean forward, use your animal landings to safely practice the skill. Step number 6, now that you know what it feels like to go that way, we have to set ourselves up with your feet to set up. The same as the speed vault, if you're too close to the wall, you're gonna place your hands down and then clip your knee right here. Not good. We need to do the same. Take a good step away, and this is where you're going to start your Kong, because by the time you're here, there's no way you're gonna clip your knee. So get into this position. Another one to focus is that we never jump off with 2 legs at the same time. This is a very different skill. We want to practice our Kongs, so we're going into the split leg and leap. This leap here is going to help you get your hips up. Step number 7, we're going to be focusing on our fingers, because this is the final piece of mastering your Kong vault. When you place your hands down here, you can just use your hands to push and try and get over, but we want to master the Kong vault, which means adding power, precision, and speed. And we do this by using your hands on the wall, grabbing it, and then pull the wall behind you. This is the extra key feature that people forget to use, and it makes and breaks amazing Kongs. So what I mean by this is that once you place your hand on the wall, you pull it as hard as you can and pull. that creates immense power by just using your hands alone. Just a tip with your fingers, it's up to you whether you want to put your hands flat on the wall or your fingers over the edge. It actually comes down to the type of obstacle you're using and how you're exiting off the wall. There is no right or wrong way. Practice both of them. And now we put everything together for you to do your Kong vault. Getting ready, making sure you've got enough speed, give yourself space to jump over, leap and pull. Coming out. Master the Kong vault because it's going to be the one that you're going to love the most. Get out there, play differently.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard and play differently. Let's go.